हाँ जी, सो टुडे इज़ द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द ग्राइंड। आज मैं अपनी ब्राइड्स ऑफ इंडिया सीरीज़ शुरू कर रही हूँ। लाइक नॉट लाइक इट्स द शूट डे, आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद द बैक एंड वर्क। इसमें बहुत सारा थॉट और बहुत सारे लोगों को कॉन्टैक्ट करा है मैंने। 1 महीने से मैं सिर्फ यही कर रही हूँ, कॉन्टैक्टिंग सो मेनी डिज़ाइनर्स एंड सो मेनी लाइक jewelry people and everything. So yeah, it has taken a lot of effort and a lot of money also. So originally I wanted to like book 5-star properties and shoot there, like 3 brides in a day. So I wanted to do like staycations and do it there. But then I actually calculated the entire budget, and at least भी अगर तुम लगाओ एक दिन का, अगर मुझे 5,000 to 7,000 पड़ रहा है, I'll require the property at least 6 to 7 times. So it's a huge number. Plus of course if we'll be staying there, the food expense, everything counts, right? And if I'll be having the videographer with me, the designer with me, their expenses are also on me. So I was like, this whole project is gonna cost me too much. Also because this is not sponsored by any brand. ये बस मेरा creative कीड़ा था कि मुझे ये Brides of India एक series करनी है, बहुत टाइम से मेरा मन था. So I thought it's not super wise, yeah, I mean, to spend so much on an organic project because I cannot right now. मेरा इतना बड़ा बजट नहीं था. So अभी मेरे को मॉम ने एक्चुअली कुछ सजेस्ट करा है. हम सब अपना दिमाग लगा रहे हैं कि हमारी एक प्रॉपर्टी है, इट्स क्लोज टू माई हाउस ऑल्सो. वहाँ पे मैं अपना टेम्प्रेरी स्टूडियो बना सकती हूँ 1-2 महीने के लिए. अभी वो फर्निश नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, बिकॉज जैसा मतलब जितनी स्पेस और जितनी खुली स्पेस मुझे चाहिए विदाउट फर्नीचर एंड एवरीथिंग, वो सिर्फ वो उस वाले मतलब घर में वहाँ पे वी कैन डू दैट, आई गेस. सो अभी आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ लुक एट दैट प्लेस. मॉम से पहले जाके देखा, इफ़ इट सूट्स माई रिक्वायरमेंट, तब वहाँ पे कुछ फिर उसकी थोड़ी बहुत फर्निशिंग करते हैं फॉर द शूट. एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ अ मेस, लाइक आई एम अ मेस राइट नाउ, बट लेट्स गो एंड सी इफ दैट्स आवर पॉसिबल स्टूडियो स्पेस. ओके, सो बेसिकली भी रॉ है सारी स्पेस. एज आई एंटर, ये बेसिकली हॉल टाइप का एक रूम है, बट यहाँ पे भी कुछ डोर्स वगैरह की जगह बनी हुई है, तो ये इतना सही नहीं जाएगा फॉर द शूट. जो मुझे लग रहा है this place will be perfect for the shoot bit, and as a temporary studio I think this would do really well. So मुझे स्पेस में एक तो ये खुली वाली जो जगह मिल रही है, इधर I can hang a nice curtain and इधर भी एक बैकड्रॉप बना सकते हैं. प्लस आई कैन यूज़ दिस वॉल एज वेल. यहाँ पे अगर मैं सारी फ्लावर डेकोरेशन एंड लाइट डेकोरेशंस जैसे शादी के घर में होती है वैसी करा लूँ. दिस इज़ अ बिग लॉन्ग वॉल, तो ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं आई बिलीव. एंड देन फर्दर जैसे हम दिन में शूट करेंगे तो यहाँ से अच्छी नेचुरल लाइट भी आ जाएगी. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वॉल एज वेल. सब खाली है, तो आई बिलीव दिस विल बी द परफेक्ट सस्ता टिकाऊ टेम्पररी स्टूडियो फॉर दिस सीरीज़. ओके, अब मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ आ रहे हैं. थैंक गॉड, लाइक थैंक गॉड. बस एक दिक्कत है कि यहाँ पे एसी नहीं है, तो मुझे 1 महीने के लिए एटलीस्ट टेम्प्रेरी एसी, कुछ जो रेंट पे किराए पे एसी मिलते हैं वो टेम्प्रेरी यहाँ पे लगवाना पड़ेगा. रेस्ट आई कैन ब्रिंग माई रिंग लाइट एंड मे बी आई हैव टू बाई लाइक 1 more रिंग लाइट, 2 रिंग लाइट्स तो चाहिए होंगी इधर. एंड या दिस प्लेस वुड डू यार. आई एनी वेज नीडेड टू अपग्रेड माई सेटअप थोड़ा बहुत फॉर लाइक आउटडोर शूट्स. And this does seem like a good space. Wow, okay, wow, I'm making my temporary studio. Fuck bro, this girl right here will be making her temporary studio. It's my dream to have a studio someday, but at least for this series I'll be able to live a part of my dream. Now I feel so good. Oh my god, I can't wait for all of this to come to reality. Let's get the grind on, baby. So welcome to the behind the scenes, and here we have Nitika, a lovely designer, and हम अपने लहंगा shortlist कर रहे हैं. So I'm probably gonna take, like I'm shortlisted 3 of them. I'll show you one by one. So for the first couple of outfits, I actually collaborated with Nitika from Rehraz Studio. This is one of the lehengas that is in this series. I'm not sharing which bride it is exactly, but yes, this is a part of our series, and it looked stunning with the, the final look. I'm really thankful to honestly Nitika and any and every business that believed in me and collaborated with me for this series. And this one was supposed to be one of our outfits, but this did not make it to the series for some reasons that I'll explain further in the video. And this though honestly goes without guessing. I mean, it's the classic red Hindu bride lehenga, and yeah, it's very pretty. Honestly, this is one of my favorites of all the brides. Like, am I revealing too much? Okay, sorry, bye. But it's super pretty, Nitika. You did an amazing job, sweetheart. Thank you so much for believing in me. Hello, so we have a new member in the team. This is the videographer जो हमारा ये concept series जो चल रही है bridal series शूट करेंगे. Finally coming to life. So wall ऐसी लगेगी. इस पे भी fairy lights आ जाएंगे. This will be a background number 2. I am exhausted. आप तो बस वो वाली साइड कर देना. मैंने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है और अब मैं मर जाऊंगी. मुझे लगता है काम करवाना आसान है. The series is taking every bit of my energy. काम करवाना इतना मुश्किल है ना. सुबह से AC लगवाया. इस फ्लैट में AC नहीं था, कुछ नहीं, फर्नीचर कुछ भी नहीं है, रॉ है. तो फर्नीचर की तो आज में नहीं हो गई. AC लगवाया, 3 बैकड्रॉप्स बनवाया. इतने में शाम हो गया, मैं डेड हूँ. So I'll just have something very quickly and get back to work. I'm so exhausted, but this is too pretty. I know I'm gonna miss this time, yaar. It's too pretty. शादी करा दो यार कोई, मेरी बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. Okay, so originally this was our first day of shooting for the bridal series, and we actually tried to shoot the makeup bit and everything on the flat only, but वहाँ पे light नहीं थी कोई भी. No tube lights, literally just one ring light and fairy lights. So the makeup turned out not good. The lighting was so off in the final footage. So this bride we had to, you know, scrap off. This particular look is not in the final series, and that's okay. I would rather serve you good content and do it again instead of, you know, giving you just anything because I did it. So yeah, we scraped this one out. Hey guys, so you just saw कि कितनी तैयारियां चल रही थी, and literally एक महीने से I've been wearing such heavy bridal looks and such heavy outfits, and I was really tired. I decided to take today off, so I'm not really filming any videos as such except this one. And yeah, I'll be just editing. So I have so much footage, to edit for the entire series, so I'll just be doing that. And कल मुझे teaser launch करना है, and I'm just very excited. So ठीक है, इसके बाद I'll sit down to edit. Just washed my face. I haven't done my morning skincare routine. However, it's almost afternoon, but regardlessly, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the current moisturizer I'm using. It's the Mamaearth Day Cream. So since we are doing the bridal series, I need that bridal glow, and what better than, you know, an Upton moisturizer. It has turmeric and saffron for that bridal glow and just your daily glow to maintain your skin's radiance. Also, I like to use it as a quick moisturizer when I don't want to go in with like 20 steps. You know, it's winters, it's enough hydrating yet not like sticky, so that's good. Yeah, my skin's just hydrated like that. I don't need 20,000 products for it. So the Rupton Day Cream is known for skin brightening, and you can literally see the glow for yourself. It gives a very hydrating effect to your skin. It makes your skin feel supple and soft. Also, it contains SPF 30 for sun protection, which is amazing and really makes it like a complete day cream in one product, and you're good to go for the entire day. That's all for now. I'll catch you at the end of the day after I'm done with the editing and I'm more sure of what the actual footage looks like. Okay, hi again. It's night time. I just sat down to do some nighttime skincare. Tomorrow I'm finally releasing the Brides of India teaser. I'm so excited and I don't know, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है मुझे at least. I'm very happy with the way it has turned out. It's beautiful. I did not want to reveal the looks in the teaser, so it's literally a teaser giving you a little hints of everything. मुझसे नहीं wait हो रहा. I might as well do it tonight. I swear मुझसे नहीं wait हो रहा. I'm just like itching really bad to show it to you all. I wrote that self poetry. वो मैंने खुद लिखी है, voice भी मेरी है, editing भी मैंने करी है. This whole ideation concept मेरे दिमाग में बहुत time से था. It took a very long time to come to life. इस वीडियो को पूरा बनने में 2 महीने लगे हैं. It took 2, not this video, like, you know, this series, the season 1 for that matter. It took me 2 months to film it. Not obviously I was not filming each day, but you get me. So काफी सारी चीजें जब स्टार्ट करा तो रियलाइज हुआ पहले डेकोर सारा अरेंज करना पड़ा. द आउटफिट्स, ओ माय गॉड, एक्चुअली I wanted to make it as close to what an actual regional bride would wear. I really wanted to be it to be very similar and very recognizable. For example, if I am somebody from Bengal, I want to look at the Bengali bride and feel like that's a good depiction of a Bengali bride. I did not want to, you know, do anything that won't be very culturally appropriate. I mean, I tried my best. जो मुझे थोड़ा सा डर इस चीज़ का है, just that the people from that state, the people from that region or religion really I don't know, like it, and I would love constructive feedback. कि if somebody from that community says that हम ऐसे नहीं ऐसे you know jewelry पहनते हैं, इस तरह की dress wear करते हैं, whatever, I would love to take it all constructive feedback. I'm just also a little nervous that how it will be seen by each community, because I'm depicting a lot of different communities in this. So yeah, I'm a little nervous for that, but that's all. कल मेरा एग्जाम भी है जिसके बारे में मैंने सबसे कम बात करी है. But anyways, tomorrow I also have my exam in the morning. Regardlessly, I'm way more excited about the teaser and the series than anything. You all saw कि सिर्फ backdrop और outfits के लिए मैंने I've talked to hundreds of designers. I have DM'd and mailed hundreds of designers and jewelry shop owners. But end में जाके majority of the outfits and jewelry I had to buy and or rent, because majorly outfits तो मैंने purchase ही करे हैं, except 1 or 2 lehengas I suppose, because I had to make that investment for it. But I'll be tagging all the brands, all the kahan se jewelry liye, kahan se outfits, so you'll be seeing everything very soon. So yeah, that's all that went behind making of this. 1 महीना सिर्फ प्लानिंग में और चीज़ें सोर्स करने में लग गया. लोगों से बातें करना, कितने लोगों से मैंने मिल के भी physical meetings भी करी है कि this is the series we are doing and if you want to give your product. But पता है क्या होता है with brands ना, I'm not a very big creator or influencer in terms of numbers, I want to say at least. So yeah, वो तुम्हें इतना भाव नहीं देते. They would rather rent their piece or give their piece out to somebody with the 2 lakh subscribers, or you know 1 lakh 2 lakh subscribers, rather than somebody like me. But I wanted them to show, I wanted to show them something. तो सीजन 1 मैंने इसलिए सीजन्स में निकाला है ये सीरीज, क्योंकि एक बार सीजन 1 लॉन्च हो जाएगा, दे विल सी व्हाट वी आर ऑफरिंग एंड हाउ वी कैन डू इट इवन बेटर, कि हमारे पास एक्चुअल अगर वो ब्राइडल रिसोर्सेज हों. so we can do it even more grand. And you know, so yeah, that was the aim of actually doing it in season, so that we can actually rope in maybe bridal brands and actually bridal wares and jewelry brands, ताकि वो और भी बढ़िया और भी grand हो, maybe even decor people. So anybody who, if wants to, you know, has a similar business niche and wants to be a part of this series, feel free to mail me. My mail is in the description box. And yeah, let's make it grand together. That's all for now. अब मेरी स्किन बहुत ड्राई हो रही है, पहले मैं कुछ लगा लूँ. So I just washed my face and I'm not in the mood to do like a lot, so I'm just gonna use the Mamaearth Upton night cream. This is the one I've been using of lately. I'm gonna take a generous 2-3 pumps. I like it for the fact कि इसके साथ मुझे कुछ और नहीं use करना पड़ता. This is enough hydration for me in one product given my dry skin type. It's a lightweight yet deeply hydrating formula that I believe makes it suitable for all skin types. So yeah, that's all for now from Nervous Girishk. And हाँ यार, कल I mean teaser अब तक drop हो चुका होगा. I hope you like it. Please देख लेना. Please अगर देख रहे हो तो please comment कर देना, because इस series में सच्ची बहुत दिल से बनाई है, बहुत दिल दिमाग और पैसे भी लगे हैं, तो कर देना. If you want to buy Mamaearth products, feel free to use my code GIRISHK2021 and get a nice discount off your purchase. Also, the products are available on Nykaa, Amazon, and even the Mamaearth official website and app. How cool is that? Also, did you guys know about the Mamaearth Plant Initiative? So in the Plant Goodness Initiative, they aim to plant 1 million trees by 2025, and they do so by linking your order to the tree that they plant. So you'll also be, you know, a part of a really nice initiative. Additionally, Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand, which means they recycle more plastic than they consume. So yeah, go ahead and happy shopping.